Good morning, stamping friends. Hope you guys are doing well. I realize it's not Tuesday morning, and that's when I normally do my videos, but I wanted to pop on here really quick because I wanted to remind you of the free shipping that's going on today. And my suggestion is grab all those retiring items that kind of like last chance here, because we're almost to the end of this catalog, but also to just maybe stock up on some of the basics, because as we know, some of the prices are rising. And so now is a good time to get these, because not only are the prices going to be up a little bit in the new catalog, but you get that free shipping, which equates to 11%. So it's worth it, I think. The only thing is you have to have an order of over $75. So make sure you get your order in today by 11:59 Utah time, which check out your time zones. It might be different where you live. But I also wanted to share with you the free PDF that I'm going to be sending for anyone who puts in a qualifying order. When I say qualifying, I mean the free shipping. You will get this tutorial. And this is just a cute little box filled with goodies. I'm using the Taco Fiesta stamp set. And first of all, this little box fits our note cards really well. It's not too big, you know, everything fits in there really nice. And there's a little 3D taco on top. You can see that it's filled on the inside with cheese, tomatoes, meat, and lettuce. And they're all made with punches or scissors. And so this is the outside of it, and it's done in Poppy Parade. Then when you open it, you're going to see the little treat that I put a taco inside. You can get these online, and I put the link in there where you can purchase these. So isn't that cute? And then there's another card. Hola. And you can, you know, change up the colors if you'd like, but it's all using that stamp set. Here's the piñata hanging from the ceiling. So we have 3 cards, and then you can stick the envelopes in there as well. They will fit in there. And just really a cute little gift. And the best part is this little box is worth the whole tutorial in itself, because we don't really have any containers that hold the note cards anymore in the catalog. So this will be just a nice little box pattern, so that if you want to give these as gifts in anything, really anything that you want. So I just wanted to show you that so you could see kind of in real life what it looks like rather than pictures all the time. Well, be sure to use my host code when you order. That would be awesome. And also, if your order is over $75, I will send you a gift. It's Stampin' Up! Product, and also a thank you card. I also wanted to put my host code in here so you know which host code to use. I have 2 host codes, but there's one on my blog and then this one too. So either one is good. Well, thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great day. And thank you again for your Stampin' Up! Orders. I love that you support my business, and it really helps me keep going here. All right. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.